right. Just making sure that everybody is connected. Just to make sure that everybody get connected, you know. We'll talk about the people them at blackscorpionenterprise.com. All the people them over upon Twitch. All of the people them over upon Mixcloud. And the people on the Facebook Live. What about the folks on the YouTube channel? And the folks over on TikTok. Yeah, man, we just to make sure that everybody get connected. Just a few more seconds. Alright, now if you look on the people on Twitch, make sure the film chat can come across. You understand? So we talk about the people on Twitch. Oh, that lady. Lady say good morning, Roddy G. It's 7:09 a.m. I came to work at 7 o'clock. All right, everybody connected now. With that done, to the folks over on TikTok, to the folks on Twitch, to the folks on Mixcloud, YouTube, and the Facebook Live, and the folks at blackscorpionenterprise.com. This is Roddy for the Road. I'm your host, DJ Roddy G, and I wish you good morning. Yeah, man, we're there. Another beautiful Thursday morning. We're above ground. I will give thanks. What about you? What go on for you? How are you feeling this morning? Gotta say good morning to my brother Keith Cole, Don T. Let me go up on Facebook and see who else there. Like there, Facebook same way now. Yes, I. Alright, so those are the early people check-in. Over upon the TikTok, I see Peter G on the check-in. I see Roger Danielle on the check-in. Did I see Kerry earlier? Alright, big up the guy himself. It's a Thursday morning. It's the start of the weekend. So you know how we're going to do it. We'll have some fun with the music. Don't it? Say yes. So I'm going to kick it off with the sounds of my brethren Taddy P. This one relatively new. This one is called Playground. No vocals, just a nice little instrumental. And so we start the music like this.
Good morning!
Roddy G is your morning man.
Allowing you to come. Excuse me. Allowing you to get your morning beverage. All of the people who get a little bit clean out them stomach before them head out on the road. At your time now. Sounds of Third World.
This music born in Kingston.
Tony Eruption, Chronics.
Keep it grooving without fear.
Knowledge teaches wisdom. Seek and see things clear. Celebrating for a reason. To share the love we bear. Everybody sing.
Hey, as you're checking on the TikTok, just drop a few taps on your screen, please and thanks.
Must be my intuition. But the vibes I'm feeling here has got me on a mission to get my stuff in gear.
You forget to the people checking in on the live, yeah.
Ain't no use in waiting.
Yeah, man, make him receive him flowers, you know.
Things will just appear.
Respect Dante.
But when the big bad bass is kicking down, every problem disappears. Oh, everybody sing. Na, 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 na.
Everybody sing.
Everybody sing. Oh, na, 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 na.
I'm more than one. A million dead from one nation. Yes, poverty, they said it is the perfect plan. We destroy the mother creation. Religious division, a serious weapon, not too much denomination. Discrimination, confusion, destruction, total devastation. Calling out the children of Africa. Never let mama fall on her knees. Take her hand, lead her to freedom. You must unite for violence to cease.
Good morning.
We must fight for equality, love for justice. Take to
Roddy G is your morning man.
land is weeping. Yes, it's time for us to trample the beast.
It's that type of vibe this morning. That's the vibe we're in this morning. The vibe to get up and move. Get you moving. It is Roddy for the road. Peter G says somehow he love the TikTok platform. Alright. Hey, humility, pick up yourself in a family. Sounds of Sly and Robbie. On vocals, you got the lady Shireen, Miss Anderson. listen music.
Dancing call me free. Freedom. Everybody free. Freedom. Dancing call me free. Freedom. Oh God. Everybody free. Freedom.
They say we tipsy. I feel like gypsy. No. Hit me from the top. Crazy motherfucker. It's a caution. I send a warning. Let me lead the rebellion. 1 billion soldiers full of conviction, determination to rock the nation. Caution to each and every nation. This is an invasion of the next generation. Diamond can't polish without some friction. Don't confine the children. I do and I don't understand. Oh no. Who got the master plan? Who knows? No bees, no honey, no work, no money. Shoulders to the wheel and let's get going on. Yeah. Free from what you want me to be. Yeah. Yeah. I wanna be free. Yeah. Free to be the best I can be. Yeah. If I could take it from the top, the world would be shocked to know. Why don't we take it from the top? How about you and I shock the world? Here I am, walking down the street, and the children, everything is so sweet. Doing my best, and I'm doing it slow. But there is just one thing I would like you to know. I wanna be free. Come on. Free from what you be. Yeah. I wanna be free, yeah. Free to be the best I can be.
Now, as I notice Humility checking in on the live, tell them the story about Humility and the Rock the Mic competition. So Humility forward in the competition and him a do him thing. But me not gonna lie, we serious say Humility gonna drop out because some other talent in there that go on with himself. You understand? And then came the week where Humility got a few pointers from Mackie Conscious. You see after that? No, me did score the contest in Humility win, me not lie. But the other judges seem to have differed in their opinion. You understand? But you see the week after Mackie Conscious said 2 words to Humility, is a different performer forward. I don't know how him do win. As me say, the other judges, me don't know. But big up Humility, you know. And big up Mackie Conscious. Me could drop something from Mackie then, no? You hear that? Alright, me not easy talking. Me drop it.
Roddy G is your morning man.
And this is the sounds of Mackie Conscious. Big up Mackie Conscious, anyway, I'm there.
You will never find, as long as you live, someone who loves you someone who cares about you the way I do. Oh, I'm not bragging on myself, baby, but I'm the one who loves you, and there's no one else. No one else. You'll never find, till take the end of all times, someone to understand you like I do. You'll never find the rhythm, the rhyme, all the magic we shared, just us two. Oh, I'm not trying to make you stay, baby, but I know somehow, someday, somewhere you are. You're gonna miss my loving. You're gonna miss my loving. You're gonna miss my love. Late in the midnight hour, baby, when it's cool outside, you're gonna miss my love.
Well, my friends, time has come. Raise the roof and have some fun. Throw away the work to be done.
It's the weekend.
Let the music play on, play on.
Good morning.
Everybody sing, everybody dance. Lose yourself in wild romance. We're gonna party hard, yes sir, forever. Come on and sing along. We're gonna party hard, yes sir, forever. Come on and sing along all night long, all night long, all night long, all night long. Whoa, yes. People dancing all in the street. See the rhythm all in their feet. Life is good, wild and sweet. Let the music play on, play on, play on. Feel it in your heart and feel
No, catch a dance there. No, that bad a while ago.
it, take control. We're going to,
Feel like we can dance right now.
yes sir, forever. Come on and sing it out. We're going to party hard, yes sir, forever.
Yeah, Peter G.
Come on and
I get some bad remix this morning.
night long, all night long, all night,
Hey, Kerry, don't laugh off of me.
all night long. Whoa. Once you get started, you can't sit down. Come join the fun, it's a merry-go-round.
I gotta say good morning to Lady Christine. She's on the check-in.
Everyone's dancing their trust.
Sparky Melody, big up yourself, you know.
Come join our party, see how we play. Hey! We gonna have a reggae
Hey, good morning, Charmaine.
know it's fair. Here, there, and there, everywhere. I'm good to move. I'm going on a party ride.
Hey, thanks for the follow. Who that?
And I'll
Dilemma.
teach you.
How which curry that? Or Dilemma curry? Alright, big up yourself.
Some say it's a mistake.
It's electric. Boogie, boogie, boogie.
You can't resist it.
It's electric. Boogie, boogie, boogie.
You can't do without it.
It's electric. Boogie, boogie, boogie.
Think of Mr. Molly, she's a jiggy, freaky, jolly, she's a mother on electric. Some say it's a mistake.
It's electric. Boogie, boogie, boogie.
And you can't resist it.
It's electric. Boogie, boogie, boogie.
And you can't do without it.
It's electric. Boogie, boogie, boogie.
Think of Mr. Molly, she's a jiggy, freaky, jolly, she's a mother on electric.
Tell the DJ, drop it, make me move my body. Cause I me have the style, some girl a copy. Can't put me in a Uber, no wanna cabby. My man not fi rich like the Dan Shaggy. My hands start out like well happy. Was me born with the gift where God sponsor me. Girl chat for me back, you can't answer me. When it come to the slide, you have to know fi choppy.
Baby, ain't no mountain high, and there ain't no valley low. Every time the sun rises, put the butter on your toes.
Hey, this is the unmistakable sounds of Lady Etana.
For you,
Singing what? She'll do anything for who? That must me.
I will do anything. Baby, ain't no mountain high, and there ain't no valley low. Every time the sun rises, put the butter on your toes. Keep me smiling through the day. Don't want you to go away. Baby, when you go slow, you know how to good morning. Touch me like that. What do you do? I like it like that. Don't know, let me so crazy. You have a thing for make a girl mad. Damn, you got me in my emotions. Rock me like ocean. Make me lose all control. I won't do anything. I won't do anything for you.
Playing some songs that you don't normally hear.
For you.
Because that's what we do as we get you ready for the road. It's ready for the road. Now hold on, Peter G. Peter G, you don't have to tell our man in yourself. You don't have to tell our man in yourself. Because I know Charmaine. Charmaine, I'm a friend. Charmaine, a big woman. Charmaine, a one of them woman there. Where you sing that song for. Charmaine, listen Peter G, I sing to you now.
This one going out there to all the ladies. Grown woman.
Hey, big up the guy themselves, you know, respect to everybody who check in for whichever platform. Let me check some of them messages and let me see who there. Cause I don't want nobody feel left out of the live, you know. I don't. Let me see who there. Lady there over upon Twitch. Big up Lady. Let me see who there upon Mixcloud. Who there upon Mixcloud? Anybody over upon Mixcloud? Good morning to Sparky Melody over there upon Mixcloud. I drop a one message. Let me see who there over YouTube. Alright, no activity now upon the YouTube channel yet. And you know, say Facebook fully active. You know, so the entire massive over Facebook, not to mention the massive over upon TikTok. But let me tell you something, people. You see, when you join the live, you want to join the broadcaster, you never know which artist I got there in the chat room with Uno. You understand? This morning we got the man Peter G. Almost every morning we got the man Peter G. And Charmaine, right now, just because you there and Peter G say, big up the grown woman them, I'm going to give you one in combination with Hope and Lindo. So that one there special from Peter G, Hope and Lindo to Charmaine and all the grown women.
This one going out there to all the ladies. Grown woman, and I just love her style. Grown woman, progressive all the while. I'm glad to have her in my corner. She's my favorite.
Melissa is here. Good morning, Melissa.
She knows where she's coming from, and she knows where she's going. She's got nothing to prove.
It's not about age, it's more about maturity. And if we're on the same page, then she's the one for me.
Grown woman, and I just love her style. Grown woman. woman, progressive all the while. I'm glad to have her in my corner. She's my favorite girl. She's affectionate, I love her every move. Full of energy and always in the right groove. She's a lady who is royal, ride or die kind of girl. She is a loyal, grown woman, and I just love her style. Grown woman, progressive all the while. I'm glad to have her in my corner. She's my favorite girl. She can be solid as a rock or gentle as a flower. When she steps out, she's the lady of the hour. Fabulous in all her glory. She's been there and done that. She's got her story. Grown woman, and I just love her style. Grown woman, progressive all the while. I'm glad to have her in my corner. She's my favorite girl. She's affectionate, I love her every move. Full of energy and always in the right groove. She's a lady who is royal, bona fide kind of girl. She is a loyal, grown woman, and I just love her style. Grown woman, progressive all the while. I'm glad to have her in my corner. She's my favorite girl. Grown woman, and I just love her style.
Hey Venus,
I didn't realize I saw that song that did shot. But ready.
Venus, if you will, please send a little girl for me to thrill. A girl who wants my kisses and my arms. A girl with all the charms of you.
Sounds of Terry Linen. For those looking for love this season. Me now look for no love. Me alright. You know what it means to go find new love in December?
In the skies,
Only pass spending for Christmas.
for
No, me and my money have friend. Me alright.
Venus, goddess of love that you are. Surely the things I ask can't be too great and dance. Venus, if you do, I promise I will always be true. I'll give her all the love I have to give, as long as we both shall live. Venus, goddess of love that you
Peter G, you know about.
surely the thing
No new romance in December. Where that I go?
too great.
No new romance until after Valentine's Day.
Venus, if you do, I promise I will always be true. I give her all the love I have to give, as long as we both shall live.
It was like destiny when our four eyes
Sounds of Torch. They ever burning.
most beautiful ever seen.
A smart man behavior.
Step 1, 2, 3.
That's anything you feel for say.
Move to the
Carry over here, beat my bad people. Carry and say, what kind of mean man behavior that?
she was waiting
A smart man behavior.
so we can dance all night.
Let's find your partner and dance right now, yeah.
It was like destiny when our four eyes meet. Ain't gonna lie, most beautiful ever seen. So I creep like step 1, 2, 3 as we move to the beat. To my surprise, like
She was waiting for me, so we can dance all night on the floor.
Hey, good morning, Dacia.
Put on the show. If you want me to take you home, girl, so we can be alone. We be on the down, sipping on my liquor. I swear you bring me pleasure. Oh yeah, the way you move.
It's a Jamaican artist and bad.
I am so into you when you touch my body, yeah.
Yes, I.
Temperature.
Sounds of torch, ever burning.
She realized I'm packing.
Yeah, some different style tonight, Thursday morning.
So clear.
This is how we get the weekend started.
Baby, we could dance all night long. Baby, we can put on a show. If you want me to take you home, girl, so we can be alone. Girl, we can dance all night on the floor. Baby, we can put on a show. If you want me to take you home, girl, so we can be alone. I see the music as you're jumping. I can't explain the way I feel.
Good morning.
For a moment I was wondering if she would dance with me. Yeah, I gotta think when I approach her, 'cause I'm not sure if she's alone. Started making my move closer. The dance floor is our own.
Good morning.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I see the music as you're jumping. I can't explain the way I feel. For a moment I was wondering if she would dance with me. Yeah, I gotta think when I approach her, 'cause I'm not sure if she's alone. Started making my move closer. The dance floor is our own. I know that it might seem strange. See me closing in on you. Baby, don't be afraid. It's all I wanna do is move. Baby, we can dance tonight when you and me. Together we were meant to be. So baby, let's just dance tonight when you and me.
Roddy G is your morning man.
I don't want this night to end. And if it does, hope it's not soon. 'Cause now the temperature is rising. Our chemistry now feels.
Now on that Facebook, lock out the people them again.
It's like you're
Because the comments are lead over TikTok, you know. Now TikTok have me attention, come here if I read the screen over your son. I go on Facebook.
just needed
Also quiet.
attention.
When I listen to music, alright, make it play.
I know that it might seem strange. See me closing in on you. Baby, don't be afraid. 'Cause all I wanna do is move. Baby, we can dance tonight when you and me. Together we were meant to be.
Which part busy there?
Just dance tonight.
Let him busy nice song. Busy, all your verse go.
Yeah, dance. Let me see you move, girl. Yeah, dance. You're pulling me close to yeah. Dance. Let me see you swing it. Yeah. Girl, you caught my eye. The way your body move, I'm so inspired. Baby girl, say me love how you move that, prove that. You have style, and me prove that. That little something that why you do when you do, why you do, girl. I'm loving the way how you swing that, bring that to me. Quick tell her to swing that to me. Me walk to her, 'cause the way she whine, she deserve me time. So me just go over and go talk to her. Eye contact, listen, not locking. She know me intention. Ready for what's popping. Move to the rhythm when the bassline dropping. She full of energy, she not stopping. Yeah, yes, the way she shake, she start rocking the city. You hear the bassline rotate.
We having a party tonight. I'm feeling the vibe, you know I'm feeling good. Enjoying this moment like the way I should. drink and take a wine. These girls look so good. Back it up, girl, boom, sangalang, but just like I know you could.
It's the start of the weekend, so I make no apology for putting you in a party mood. All morning too.
In the party tonight. I'm feeling the vibe, you know I'm feeling good. Enjoying this moment like the way I should. Take a drink and take a wine, these girls look so good. Back it up, girl, boom, sangalang, but just like I know you could. Hello, 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 hello. Watch the girl, them a tip and toe. When them wine and tick-tock slow. Me and the girls, them here we go. Hello, 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 hello. The music feels so right. Going till morning light. We are right, we gonna.
If you're feeling this one, just continue to tap the screen. If you're feeling this one, let me know. On TikTok, tap up the screen. On Facebook, send a message.
I'm feeling the vibe, you know I'm feeling good. Enjoying this moment like the way I should. Take a drink and take a wine, these girls look so good. Back it up, girl, boom, sangalang, but just like.
Hey, good morning to Simonees.
Hello, 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 hello. Watch the girl, them a tip and toe. When them wine and tick-tock slow. Me and the girls, them here we go. Hello, 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 hello. The music feels so right. Going till morning light. We are right, we gonna party. Go on, forever and ever. Reggae music, dance and soca. Watch out for this place I turn over. Party, go on, forever and ever. Energy like you're not getting older. Feel the right music taking over. All night long, all night, all night long, all night, all night long, all night, all night long. Yes, baby, come wine for me. Sexiness with your body. We going all night, girl, I'm ready. Bounce it, girl, and keep it steady. Sexy ladies shine like starlight. Wine me, girl, cause we doing it all night. Brace me, girl, and give me that's alright. Enjoy yourself, cause it's your night. Hello, 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 hello. Watch the girl, them a tip and toe. When them wine and tick-tock slow. Me and the girls, them here we go. Hello, 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 hello. The music feels so right. Going till morning light. We are right, we gonna party. Go on, back and ever. Reggae music, dance and soca. Watch out for this place I turn over. Party, go on, forever and ever. Energy like you're not getting older. Feel the right music taking over. All night long, all night, all night long, all night, all night long, all night, all night
You know, so I just recall something. I just recall said, Cutty Ranks that tell we say him do one piece of music. And you know, say he can drop in another juggling there, I think so. Let me go find it. I don't know if I like the artist I tell, but I was at a stage show when the artist said, I him do the song. So we're going to work to it. We're going to play one, and then we're going to get to it. We have played that one, yeah? Then we get to it.
Chacaron, 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 chacaron.
Now listen to me, if you're shy, you're not gonna like the live here.
Yeah, macaron.
The live here feel just let loose and be free.
Chacaron,
so,
chacaron,
chacaron. right now, if you say you walk down the street and you have in your earbuds them, just give them a shakaran walk.
No, shakaran.
Just give them a shakaran walk.
Run, shakaran.
No matter make them know where I listen to. Just give them a shakaran walk. Oh, listen to me, man. If you're stress free this morning, just get a shakaran on. Shakaran.
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 All right, now everybody feel in a mood. Shakaran, shakaran, shakaran. Hey, me not stop play till you don't get in a mood. Me not stop play till you don't get in a mood.
No, shakaran, 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 shakaran.
Watch Sparky over here ask me who are my artists for the year. What is my song for the year? I'll tell you tomorrow. I'm going to give it some clear thought today, and I'll let you know tomorrow. Simon Easy getting the shakaran on. How about Kerry? Peter G, y'all get the shakaran on.
Oh yeah,
Me not stop play till you don't get it on, you know.
Yeah, macaron.
Right now, me want video evidence.
Shakaran, 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 shakaran.
Christine, where I deal with? Let me see a shakaran this morning.
Oh yeah, zone, Joe, macaron.
It's the start of the weekend.
Yeah, macaron.
We're in a good mood.
Shakaran, shakaran, shakaran.
No, me a show already. The camera them on. Me a full joy myself. Oh, no want me to lead it. No problem.
Oh, macaron.
Oh, you mean Peter G? Shakaran in your kitchen, yes.
Shakaran, 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 shakaran.
You know, so me have this in my library as El Chambo. But I was at Marcia Griffiths and Friends, and Cutty Ranks was performing. And Cutty Ranks look on the audience, big and serious, and ask if we never know, say, him do that song, yeah. And you see, after him perform it, you know, so people me believe him. Me believe him, you know, people.
Bienvenidos a la cripta. Dame tu cosita. Dame tu cosita. Ay, dame tu cosita. Dame tu cosita. Ay, dame tu cosita. Dame tu cosita. Ay, dame tu cosita. Muévete para aquí, muévete para allá. Dame tu cosita. Ay, toma. Cosita. Dame tu cosita. Ay, toma. Cosita. Dame tu cosita. Ay, toma. Cosita. Cosita. Dame tu cosita. Ay, toma. Cosita.
Dámela bien rica. Vámonos para acá para la esquinita. Ok. Dámela que está bien bonita. Mamacita. Dámela pa'
Listen, if you have problems, you're not gonna like the live this morning. Good morning, Sharon. Good morning, my sister. Sharon, you're stress free this morning? Just dame tu cosita.
Dame tu cosita.
Ay.
Dame tu cosita. Muévete para aquí, muévete para allá. Dame tu cosita. Dame tu cosita.
We're having fun.
Dame tu cosita.
It's a Thursday morning.
Dame tu cosita.
Let's do this.
Dame tu cosita. Dame tu cosita.
Me gusta como tú lo meneas. Muévete ese bang bang y grita.
Bienvenidos, bienvenidos.
That juggling a name we are talking a language we don't know. This juggling name what? We are talking a language where we don't know.
Mosoma.
I got two more for you.
Anumuna sisi au yasa makosa. Amuna yeye koma sama kosa. Tanga umbusa tanga. Nesa.
Rabadi bambi deng deng, yalla boy, ribambi deng deng, rabadi bambi deng, watch it, yalla them a bubble, ribambi deng deng, rabadi bambi deng deng, yalla boy, ribambi deng deng, rabadi bambi deng, watch it, yalla them a bubble, ribambi deng deng, rabadi bambi deng deng.
When the juggling name,
ribambi deng deng,
we are talking a language you don't understand.
Ribambi deng deng, rabadi bambi deng deng, yalla boy, ribambi deng deng, rabadi bambi deng, watch it, yalla them a bubble.
All right, enough of that now, enough of that. Listen, it's a Thursday morning. I'm in a good mood. Gotta send a big shout out to my Sagicor Mobile Pacers family. What a joy it always is to be in your company. And yes, I was in them company yesterday where they have a nice vibe. You understand? Big up to Mr. Patrick Sinclair. Big up to Amalie. Big up to Ron. Big up to the entire massive. I don't know everybody's name. Everybody know my name. I'm a feel one way. Because a years may I play for them now. I'm supposed to know everybody by name. But Maya, big up yourself. You understand? Janet, big up yourself. May I get to the name them. One by one, may I get to the name them. You understand? Yeah, man. Big up the 1J boss. Yeah, you understand? So big up to my entire Mobile Pacers family. They had me out late this morning. I don't know how I'm so energized, but you guys give me the strength, give me the motivation to be here with you, and I appreciate love that. We're going to just take a few messages, and then we're going to continue in a different style upon the Thursday morning. So big up everybody upon whichever platform you are. You can always just drop in and drop a note, let me know, say there's in, and listen to a few messages, just 1 + 1.
Lovebird Records presents the newly released tribute album from Keith Cole entitled Rock With Me.
Rock with me, baby. Rock with me, baby. Rock.
It's 13 tracks including the astute cover of Delroy Wilson's Who Cares?
Who cares? Who is right or wrong? Right.
Keith Cole also sings homage to Jabi Bunny Wailer.
How does it feel to have been on the ballroom floor?
This newly released 13-track tribute album is readily available in record stores and on all digital platforms. It's the brand new album Rock With Me from Keith Cole. Pick up a copy today and help play tribute to these icons in reggae music.
Rock with me, baby. Rock with me, baby. Yeah. Rock with me, baby.
Tune Tune into Black Scorpio Radio Enterprise. Tune in to Jack Scorpio Live on Thursdays at 12 to 4 p.m., Saturdays at 10 to 2 p.m., and on Sundays 2 to 6 p.m. And tune in also with DJ Roddy G Live, weekdays Mondays to Fridays 7 to 10 a.m. And with JB on Sundays, who plays the classical hits to take you away from 11 to 2 p.m. In addition, want to promote your business, a new single, or anything musical? Black Scorpio Radio Enterprise will feature your ads. This is the place. www.blackscorpioenterprise.com.
All right, and just like that, we're back with you. It is 2 minutes after the hour of 8 o'clock. We've concluded 1 hour of the show. Got to send a big shout out to everybody on TikTok, everybody on Twitch, Mixcloud, YouTube, Facebook, and blackscorpioenterprise.com. Listen, let me tell you about JB show. Big up to Jack Scorpio, first of all. Let me do that and pay my manners, my respect, my homage to the great man, the icon, the man with the vision and the passion for start him online radio station, blackscorpioenterprise.com. If you've not yet bookmarked that page, you need to bookmark that page there right now. Because let me tell you, this is Sundays. This is Sunday when JB start at 11 o'clock. Yo, Sunday sounds sweet. When I said Sunday though, I said Sunday, so hey, right now I want to put on a party and make JB play. That's how JB selection them bad. The brother name him sure Just Playing. Boy, right now him should have take a page out of Jerry Butler book and name it Just Beautiful, because Sundays pan Black Scorpio Enterprise starting from 11 o'clock. No normal. It's not a normal vibe. I mean, I encourage the item. Lucky in the page. JB not do the live something, him not do the Facebook and the YouTube thing. You have to listen to JB by going to blackscorpioenterprise.com. Everybody over TikTok, lucky in blackscorpioenterprise.com. Set your alarm for 11 a.m. Sundays and make sure it's a full joy on a Sunday. You understand? Yeah, man. Do that thing that you won't be disappointed. Once you love music, me not go talk about no age group right now. Because when the man they are play, if you're even baby palm breast, you're going to astounded. You're going to say, wow, listen to them selection there. Right now, I want to play a song where I've been wanting to play for about 2 weeks now. No joke. About 2 weeks more I play that song, and every day something else happening, I'm don't play the youth song. I want to send a big shout out to the youth named Acoustics. You understand? Before he even popped up on my social media feed, I'm going to say I get baptized and thing. My dog say, yo, I want to play that song here. I just saw the Almighty work with me. I just saw the energy. I just saw the ancestors work. Something just forward to my cranium, and I know there's an energy I go around. And I never know why, but I want to play that song for Acoustics for a while. And then boom, it pop up on my social media feed, and I say the artist I take a dip in the waters and wish him well upon him journey. Life is all about growth. It's all about understanding. It's all about gaining wisdom. And whatever you do, you must learn from it. So whatever Acoustics do, he might go learn from it. You understand? And he might go grow, and he might go be a better person today than he was yesterday. But him they drop that bad song here, I don't think that song get enough play and love, and we're going to drop it and we're going to start the juggling that way here. Hey, shout out to the entire Seaview Gardens Massive. It's a phone boy Acoustics. Kingston 11. Oh, you go. For the dog them way I hold it out, and the girl them way I tug it out. Watch it now. For the dog them way I hold it out, and the girl them way I tug it out. Cause I'm gonna be fine all by myself. Just can't bother with relationship. See it now. Watch it now, yeah. And you wanna know. I gotta send a big shout out to my cousin Calvin. He's on that YouTube check-in. Oh, you mean, big up Auntie Jennifer, yes. Another Sajiko member, you know. For the dog them way I hold it out, and the girl them way I tug it out. Watch it now. For the dog them way I hold it out, and the girl them way I tug it out. Cause I'm gonna be fine all by myself. Just can't bother with relationship. See it now. Watch it now, yeah. And you wanna know why my ex-girl vex. We just can't bother with relationship. See it now. Watch it now, yeah. I'ma tell you what me tell all my friends. We just can't bother with relationship.
Sweet, no, yeah. Cause I don't wanna be so intimate. Me just can't bother with relationship. Sweet, no, watch no, yeah. Cause if you ask me about no relationship, me tell you, baby, ship there, see. And you can't catch any man in your trap, but God know you can't catch me. Watch now, me don't join the commitment. If I die to the pre, you gotta leave. Only thing man commit myself to are the music and a good job. I mean, I really care where them want say. I mean, I care if them want vex. And if you don't want support me, well, guess what? That'll be your business. Watch, I know I mean, I care where them want say. I mean, I care if them want vex. With the thugs, them way I hold it out. And the girls, them way I tug it out. Cause I'm gonna be fine all by myself. Just can't bother with relationship. See it now, watch it now, yeah. And you wanna know why my ex-girl vex. But just can't bother with relationship. See it now, make you mad me. I'ma tell you what me tell all my friends. Just can't bother with relationship. See it now, watch it now, yeah. Cause I don't wanna be so intimate. But just can't bother with relationship. See it now, watch it now, yeah.
How I coulda caused this? Thinking about you is now what I be. See my heart there, please go and grab it. It's like I've been searching the entire planet, and it's only you. Search the Caribbean and it brings me back to only you. This night's like rice and peas, cooler than the island breeze. It's a first class love I feel. I know say your love could so sweet. Yeah, this night's like rice and peas, cooler than the island breeze. It's a first class love I feel. Ooh, yeah. You in my life, I feel thank ya. You a come phone, I'm a happy answer. Couple from the past, but you see that one, yeah. Nobody at all compares. I feel so brand new, feel so clean. Royal thing like king and queen. What chemistry and energy. No. If you're loyal to me, me will loyal to you. Love is a game. Baby, me not play for lose. This night's like rice and peas, cooler than the island breeze. So it's a first love I feel.
Roddy G is your morning man.
This night's like rice and peas, cooler than the island sea. It's the first love I feel. Ooh, yeah.
Keep grooving. I love the way you motivate me with love. Can't get enough of your touching. All this time I've been searching. Now I finally found love. You are my sunshine, my rainfall, wind that blows through the beach side. Moonlight, stars that shine in the nighttime. 4 seasons change, still your love still remains. Roses in my garden, pretty little flow. Baby, you me need every minute of the hour.
Hey Stuart, big up yourself, no respect for the check-in.
Energy, we are flow, light up, it's a toe. Yes, she different from the rest, no other can test. That one the way you give me a part to confess. You compliment me, spark my interest. Now tell no lie, baby girl, me impressed. So if you need a good time, rock and come in. Vibes like these, I feel it on repeat. Now at your island, she want intervene. Say her ex-man a drop feet. She missed the good vibes, it's been so long. She wanna high life, she run along and live up now, yeah. You always know to take my day. You are my sunshine, yeah. The rainfall, the wind that blows through the beach side. Moonlight, stars that shine in the nighttime. 4 seasons change, still your love still remains. Your love still remains.
She with shampoos a lot. Several mornings she shampoos my locks. Always have my back, she stand true to that. Real type of loving, thank you for that. Yo, run barefoot without my shoes and socks. Cause she keep herself clean, man, I got catch no rush. And she love me for real, man, I feel have no cash. And any little thing and from a splish, she splash. Yo, all this bling is like you forgot. use cheddar as the bait, then we recruit the rat. So we listen couple speech of Martin Luther chat. Dennis Brown, Bob Marley and
Roddy G is your morning
the Luca shop. Cause you don't have a scratch, is only beauty spot. When one duty start is when one duty stop. 1 9 to 5, 1 5 to 12 o'clock. You see me?
I will just touch some of them tune there, you know. Cause you know the copyright something go down. You can't bother with them and interrupt the stream.
It's like I won 100 million. I found a good woman. I found a good woman. Like I won 100 million. I got a good woman. I got a good woman. She's the full package, everything I need. Maybe I am lucky cause I can't believe she's more of everything that's guaranteed. Just watch how she walks. She's got that attitude, that's her style, and it gives me the feels. And she changed the mood with her smile. Oh, this can't be real. He's like I won 100 million. I found a good woman. I found a good morning. Like I won 100 million. I got a good woman. I got a good woman. Can't believe the way how she got me still. Each and every day I feel the thrill. Even bad days she finds a way to take good care of me. And she loyal, royal. To the end of the world she'll go. I'm so shook, I'm hooked. She don't even know.
Now with you, I'm feeling weak. Don't wanna eat, don't wanna sleep. Don't know what I should do, cause I'm weak for you. Sometimes I wanna run to you, but I'm so far away. Miami, California, I'm right here, waiting for you.
Yes, I'm missing you. Yeah. Hey, 5-star accommodation. Hey, first class reservations. Still I'm missing you. Yeah. Hey, devotion. Even when I'm jet setting from the oceans, I'm missing you. Yeah. Well, I'm at 30,000 feet, and I'm writing you my sweet, telling you that you're still my
Good morning.
A million miles away, stressed from day to day, but I can't help it. I'm missing my baby.
You've got your dreams, so do your thing, and I've got mine to fulfill. But I'm so lonely,
And I need you away.
yes, I'm missing you. Hey, 5-star accommodation, hey, first class reservation, but still I'm missing you.
I'm your queen, you're the king beside of me. You're my strength, you are here to guide me. Wanna be your warrior, break down every barrier with my love as my weapon. I can walk the world without a fear. I can hold my head high without a care. And I can fight the world, every grudge for one, everybody mind, girl. With your love as my weapon. Oh, then you can't stop the way I feel for you. My love has no boundaries. Then can't pull it away. Me feel I fight for you and you fight for me. Them can't stop the way. Them wish and them hoping and fighting and pray. Them can't stop this warrior love. Living in a house with a bed and a broke down fridge. I was there, I make up the cabbage. When things seem to go from bad to worse, a kiss from your lips seem to break the curse. Now that we're living,
No, no can't too quiet on TikTok, you know.
I forget when it was
When you can't quiet like how me quiet.
trying hard to
Let me feel like said the live not active.
Behind every strong man,
So let me see some activity on the screen, please and thanks.
you seem to be pleased with who I am, cause you're the strongest man I've ever seen. I'm a whole lot of woman, full of everything and love is worth. You to have me on your mind always, you must be carrying the weight of the earth. And can't stop the way I feel for you. My love has no boundary. And can't
Thank you so much.
I feel a fight for you and you fight for me. And can't stop.
Take time, yeah.
I'm ready to go, anywhere for you. No, I mean it. I'm happy to know.
All I wanna hear. Take time, yeah.
Bring in look at the old school.
All I wanna hear.
Carried forward to the new school.
Take time, yeah.
I'm ready to go, baby, anywhere for you. No, I mean it. I'm happy to know, honey, that you're here with me. So excited. No, maybe I love you every single day. Don't think I'm crazy when you hear me say I will die for you. Don't care what they do, I will die for you.
Good
And my
morning.
love is true. No, my love is true. Yeah.
Watch me now. Over your legacy, girl, me no stop crying. Open up just to be your guy. Over your legacy, girl, me no stop crying. Open up just to be your guy. I hope and pray and wish you'll be mine. From then till now, till the end of time. I dreamt of you and I in paradise. On my mind, girl, you give me sleepless night. Romance, sexually designed, different from the rest, girl, top of the line. Over your legacy, girl, me no stop crying. Open up just to be your guy. Over your legacy, girl, me no stop crying. Open up just to be your guy.
Sailing on the summer breeze, rocking with a passion,
Taking it to ecstasy.
midnight. Sailing on the summer breeze, rocking with a passion.
Taking it to ecstasy.
Is it my imagination, or is it just a deal? Already jumped to conclusion.
Oh, it feels so free.
No more, no, who remember them song there? Who remember them tune, yeah? Peter G say, alright. Yeah, man, that Cabra, that was a big tune.
Sailing on the summer breeze, rocking with a passion.
Taking it to ecstasy.
Midnight,
come around messing in my business. Here is what I wanna say, listen up. The way I live my life is the way I wanna be. If you can't be a true friend and just love me for me,
I want the massive them tell me who the artist is. I want the massive them name the artist.
in my business. Here is what I wanna say.
Let me look at the Facebook feed.
The way I live.
Let me see if the Facebook massive can name the artist.
Wanna be. If you can't be.
Why one whole different conversation I go on over here, so you know.
For me.
One whole different conversation about artists of the year, nominations and all kind of things that go up on Facebook Live.
Messing in my business.
But right now I'm asking the question. Can anybody take a guess as to who this artist is? He is on the broadcast. Let me see if Sparky can take a guess. Let me see if Dante can take a guess. What about Simonese? What about Melissa? What about Carrie? Who can tell me the name of the artist?
The way I live my life is the way I wanna be. If you can't be a true friend and just love me for me, don't come around with a smiling face like you're on my side. You're spreading false rumors, that's why you have to hide. You can talk, you can talk. I don't care what you want to say. Words aren't sticks and stones, they can break my bones. You go talk, you go tell, you go run up your mouth. I don't care, no, no, no. You listen up. Ooh. The way I wear my heel, the kind of friends I choose. Why should it be a problem? You have nothing to lose. If you have nothing nice to say, just keep it to yourself. Backbiters and
not even the artist sure who the artist is.
you can talk.
Not even the artist sure. Artist I said, hold on. This sound like somebody me know.
Words on sticks and stones. They can.
Hey, them look like, oh, them good over here, so.
You go talk, you go.
Them still at this, them a try figure it out.
Run up your mouth, I don't care.
Come on, somebody call the name of the artist before I mix out the tune.
I don't care. In my heart, I know my friendship to you is true. If something's wrong or going down, I tell it to you. You try to hurt me, you come around pretending to be cool. Don't take me for granted, cause
I remember telling you.
old school, you can talk.
It's our own Peter G.
Talk
Yeah, man, a Peter G the same way.
what you wanna say.
Watch him over here now, watch him over here.
Words on sticks.
Watch him over here, so now. All of them are gonna go on like them didn't know a long time.
You go talk, you go tell, you go run up your mouth. Hey, hey, oh, 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 oh. Hey. Good morning. Love is a verb. Are you ready for the time of your life? It's time to stand up and fight. It's all right. Hand in hand, we'll take the caravan to the motherland. One by one, we're gonna stand with the prize, one that can't be denied. Oh, from the highest mountain and the valley low, we'll join together with hearts of gold. Now the children of the world can see there's a better place for us to be. The place where mankind was born, so neglected and torn apart. Every woman, every man, join the caravan of love. Oh,
so neglected and torn apart. Every man of love, stand up. Everybody take a stand, join the caravan of love. Oh, I'm you. Every woman, every man. Everybody ain't gonna stand now.
Take me somewhere wonderful. So tired of being misunderstood.
I gotta send him shout out to the man Paul Elliott. Pick up yourself, my brother.
All the good. Cause life always works out as it should. Yeah. And for so long, we are hold on. A lucky things that we so strong. She said them so gone from them program. We have a different slogan. We tried it on the right road. It's hard myself with the right folks. The ones who always keep it eye close. The kind of love you can't fight up. Jah give by the clarity. We only want what is best for humanity. I don't need them charity right now. We only want the opportunity. That's all it is truthfully. Just me what you to me. So when the music hits the right place and I'm in the right space, take me somewhere wonderful. So tired of being misunderstood. I keep moving on the good. Cause life always works out as it should. Yeah.
You believe in me, know that I will keep you far from danger. I'd never forsake you, no. You believe in me, it's my duty, you owe me no favor. I never replace you. You believe in me. Journey to the moon, can't find nothing that resembles this kind. A magic and peace, I think it's sweet that you can read my mind. Always see the best in me, not some days. Right through every season, even when we disagree and never leave. It's clear to see you believe in me. Know that I will keep you far from danger. I'd never forsake you, no. You believe in me. It's my duty, you owe me no favor.
Hey, this is Sound of My Friends.
You believe in me.
In collaboration, Sounds of Choir, featuring Makian.
With you.
You know the title. You heard them sing it.
I don't care.
You believe in me.
When all the stars align, and I'm with you, yeah.
Yeah, it's so crazy. World is falling, but it don't faze me. If you feel like there is no escape, I'll be right here to keep you safe. You put the S on my chest, I'm super. Stand and defend me, girl, you're my trooper. Whenever you come around, I'm great. Make no mistake.
You believe in me. Know that I will keep you far from danger. You believe in me, yeah, you believe in me. Know that I will keep you far from danger. I never forsake you, no. You believe in me. It's my duty, you owe me no favor. Up to you believe in me. You believe in me, yeah. You believe in me, You believe in me.
I always appreciate love when the artists them check in. I always appreciate love when the artists them check in. And when they do so, it's my way of saying thanks by dipping in the library and finding something we can drop in our juggling. This morning we got the man, Mr. Paul Elliott. Paul, you still there? Let me look and see if Paul's still there. Because we're streaming at BlackScorpioEnterprise.com. We're streaming at the YouTube channel at DJ RODDYG. On Facebook, we're live. On Twitch, we're live. On Mixcloud, we're live. So internationally, we're live. We got Canada locked in. We got the UK locked in. We got the US of A and the Caribbean locked in. And Paul Elliott is on the check-in. So I'm gonna drop something from him.
Me coming in hot. You don't matter about Mr. Elliott, laddy, lad. Me say me singing for the. Good morning. Me coming in hot. You don't matter about Mr. Elliott, laddy, lad. Me say me singing for the poor and have not. We no matter where wicked people want chat. Me a sing for the poor and have not. We no matter where wicked people want chat. Man no have a Chris.
The artist is here. I tell you, when you join this live, you never know which artist is going to be on the live with you. This morning we got Peter G. We got Sparky Melody. We got Keith Cole. And we got Paul Elliott on the live.
Poor and have not. We no matter where wicked people want chat. Me a sing for the poor and have not. We no matter where wicked people want chat. Man no have a respect for lay down and relax him hungry till him one dead. Can put on a pot. Man in a paradise them a sit down and a chat. But me a sing for the poor and have not. We no matter where wicked people want chat. Me a sing for the poor and matter where wicked people want chat. Big man a eat snap, a poor man a eat prop. What's the rich man them up on the hilltop? Them a star rapper, none of them no one drop. From the day them know themselves, them never face hungry yet. When Sunday come a red rice and rooster. And if a school fees the pay that a gonna alpha. But me a sing for the poor and have not. We no matter where wicked people want chat. Me a sing for the poor and have not. Me no matter where wicked people want chat. It's like me get cool, body get weak. When the poor and have not now have no food to eat. Poor and have not now have no place to sleep. Me a sing for the poor and have not. We no matter where wicked people want chat. Me a sing for the poor and have not. We no matter where wicked people want chat. What's
that sound I hear? Guns are bang everywhere. What's that sound I hear? See I hear the guns are on the streets. I wonder what is their purpose. If it's to fight a revolution, then I would not be so nervous. The heart was made to love, and the guns to destroy. Some don't respect their own lives, so them take that far a turn. Now you see them a filthy strong. Easy figure guns, but I forget work. See enough is enough. No put no more in the car, the cup soon full up. Good morning. I'm filthy strong. Them easy figure guns, but I forget work. Whoa yo, I say enough is enough. No put no more in because the cup soon full up. See the economical crisis leave the youth without choices. And when they make them come back, they say that is their voices. And who can hear must have to feel. Then a youth and a ram fi clean steel. Them a ram fi go heat a man nail. Prophecy a reveal. Now you see them a self-destruct. It easy fi get guns but hard fi get broke. Whoa yo, I said enough is enough. No put no more in because the cup soon full up.
I'm Mitchie on the front line. Tell them no one plan. It's all the fun times. Lord of mercy. You could have talked till you dropped down. What value is a life when you got none? Police now reach till it's too late. Back 90 turn over someone. Where do I look for protection? Government hear me suggestion. To want me see the place I run. Every man fi own a gun. Them brute and not pet people. Trigger squeeze till the last breath leave you. How did we get so evil? That's one of the place with the people. Yo, the mountain reckless. And a dash more calm than best dress. And I left people head and necklace. Badness in excess. So you could have talked till you dropped down. What value is a life when you got none? Police now reach. Good morning. Back 90 turn over someone. Where do I look for protection? Government hear me suggestion. To oversee the place I run. I miss a
you out of the worst mood. Pounding ganja baby spliff up in me soda. Bills not the grand bag you choose. I know me alone, me girl I smoke too. I didn't pass a me no Mona Lisa you, yeah. Nothing but red in a these two us. Rolling paper never rather reach to. High grade never rather reach to. Burning the arms will never cease. Whether yard or overseas. Cut up the bud in a little pieces. Roll it up, light it up, call me ganja baby. I know college give me the grades. You find out try me to my shades. Me have the right food for the brain. After a couple puffs I'm a little.
Coming from the country with my back at Cali. I fuck up on a DC. Him want to hold me. Don't you run now, youth man. You won't get away. If you slip, you will die. And if you run, you can't hide. For I've got my dick stuck right in my hip now. Don't you take my eyeshade. Don't you touch my collie. My children dying for hunger, and I'm on a suffer. So you got to see, it's the scully that feed me. 50 cents a stick and $1 a quarter. That's what keep me alive. Me and my 2 kids and wife.
Baby, I've been reminiscing on what happened last night. Though I'm smiling, I think that with all jokes aside, woman, you got the hit factor. You take me away like a rapture. Was more than amazing. Let's make this a regular occasion. It was so good, and you were so bad. How could it be so rude to give me the best love I ever had? Baby, I don't want you. Just one more of your touch. You provide a healing, and now you got healing.
Chilling in the party, as red as can be. And then I look into my WhatsApp, and guess what I see? I see a text from a number. Oh, me never see this yet. I the same girl to write it. When me did go up on a wine with, she said, why did you stop? Right now me need more of that. Hear what she tell me. Oh, Richie, love how you took to my fancy. Oh, Marcia, you make me talk in that gypsy. Oh, Richie, love how you bubble when you hold me. Oh, Marcia, I saw me one when me kiss you. Listen, let me tell you about me. When you come to bubble in body, see ever see. See the body moving like a bird in a tree. Attack it like the fish, them where you swimming at the sea. Silent. Watch it, I never do what to me. Fly like a butterfly, sting like a bee. She love it when me give her in a them style. One riches equals every dollar territory.
2814, if you know what when me need me a boy, when me talk it, you know me I go walk it. And you feel no say me I go walk it. Yeah. Now we're down your way up on me son, your way down. Baby, you should know I like it when you stick around, so just park it. Baby girl, just park it. Do it, Jack. Me. Run up your errands, come right back to me. Them ask you where you rather be, you tell them with me. And that's the way you like it and the way it's gonna be. Everything is better in your company. Love your pretty smile and your sweet energy. Expression of my thoughts coming through these melodies.
Alright, honey came in and she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this when we were both caught making love on the bathroom floor.
Good morning! Mixture of the old and new this morning. 14 minutes before we get to 9 o'clock. It is ready for the road. Getting you ready for the road. On a Thursday morning. Oi, go.
Alright, honey came in and she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this when we were both caught making
access to your villa. Trespass on a weakness, all of your clean on your pillar. You better watch your back before she turn into a killer.
Hey, shout out to Wise Words on that TikTok check-in.
To be a true player, you have to know how to play. If she say a night, convince her say a day. Never admit to a word where she say. And if she claim
Respect Kid Cole, Mr. The comment.
But she caught me on the counter.
Wasn't me.
Saw me kissing on the sofa.
Wasn't me.
I even had her in the shower.
Wasn't me.
She even caught me on camera.
Wasn't me.
She saw the marks on my shoulder.
Wasn't me.
Heard the words that I told her.
Wasn't me.
Heard the screams getting louder.
Wasn't me.
She said until it was over. Honey came in and she got me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this when we were both caught making love on the bathroom floor. I had tried to keep her from what she was about to see. Why should she believe me when I told her it wasn't me?
make she know say that she really not a right for vex. I never used to see you make the jigger low flex. Somebody else in favor you in the complex. Seeing is believing, so you better change your specs. You know she a go bring a whole heap of things up from the past. All the little evidence you better know for mass. Quick for your answer, no off it talk. But if she back a gun, you know you better run fast.
But she caught me on the counter.
Wasn't me.
Saw me kissing on the sofa.
Wasn't me.
I even had her in the shower.
Wasn't me.
She even caught me on camera.
Wasn't me.
She saw the marks on my shoulder.
Wasn't me.
Heard the words that I told her.
Wasn't me.
Heard the screams getting louder.
Wasn't me.
She stayed until it was over. Honey came in and she caught me red-handed, creepy with the girl next door. Picture this when we were both caught making love on the bathroom floor. How could I forget that I had given her an extra key? All this time she was standing there, she never took her eyes off me. Wanna tell her that I'm sorry for the pain that I caused. I've been listening to your reason, it makes no sense at all. Need to tell her that I'm
Listen up upon your case
sorry
again.
for the pain that I've caused. You may
So say you know, say you platinum. Such a beauty, you're a cutie, every man hypnotizer. Nothing can mash up me and me bonify. Coulda never make me scream, no matter how hard them try. Nothing can mash up me and me bonify. Do you see me hesitate about that thing, say me shy. Nothing can mash up me and me bonify. They coulda have the come feel me roll me higher. Nothing can mash up me and me bonify.
Sweet girl, you're the only one for me, the only one who has my heart. There's no need to stray, your love is like a perfect work of art.
That's right.
Ain't no need to lose it cool, you really gotta play it smart. Yeah.
I want to Laura.
Sweet girl, you're the only one for me, the only one who has my heart. There's no need to stray, your love is like a perfect work of art. Ain't no need to lose it cool, you really gotta play it smart.
Ocean 11. Good morning. I know rude boys are go wheel. Cause them out of jail. Rude boys cannot deal. Cause them must get deal. Them a loot, them a shoot, them a wheel. Ashanti town. Them a loot, them a shoot, them a wheel. Ashanti town. Rude by the probation. Ashanti town. Fire come up the town. Ashanti town.
Such a beauty, you're a cutie, every man hypnotizer. Nothing can mash up me and me bonify. Coulda never make me scream, no matter how hard them try. Nothing can mash up me and me bonify. Do you see me hesitate about that thing, say me shy. Nothing can mash up me and me bonify. They coulda have the come feel me roll me higher. Nothing can mash up me and me bonify.
Sweet girl, you're the only one for me, the only one who has my heart. There's no need to stray, your love is like a perfect work of art.
That's right.
Ain't no need to lose it cool, you really gotta play it smart. Yeah.
I want to Laura.
Sweet girl, you're the only one for me, the only one who has my heart. There's no need to stray, your love is like a perfect work of art. Ain't no need to lose it cool, you really gotta play it smart.
a man, them have them woman and them sweetheart. Girl inna me ears, me have to tell her say fi ease up. I no say me free, but me no want get her teeth up. Program money have a woman who no run be squeeze up. If you have a good thing, then say you not fi spoil it. Argument a brew, I me no really want fi boil it. About if a girl inna your bed, you might silent. You might come back home and find she want check out your private.
Well, in comes a drink hard. Now me a Stevens for a pretty stack. Inch about a man long ranger. But I'm not a ranger.
This one is my special request. Music and a big Paris. Here comes another brand new music on this.
If you knew how my back against the wire, our moons are conspire, you wouldn't stay away. Oh, you would have run in on it, pop down the fence, drop something. Cause you know me a rider, park it inside, yeah. You would have run in on it, desert your friends, take up residence for me ends. Cause you know me a rider, park it inside, yeah. Foot, 166 the pride. Don't watch no face, me still want the ride. Call it a 10 and run, come park it inside.
Feel the sun on the skin was gonna be one of those days to put your mind at ease. Got the radio playing as I feel the breeze.
Roddy G, baby.
So when you live it up, no one now go fuss. Gonna dance all night till the sun come up. And this is heavenly, this is serious. Cause nothing compares to the two of us.
This is what happens when a boy meets a girl.
Baby, guns were at me.
Roses are red and violets are blue. You tell me that you love me, but I don't know if it's true. So what you gonna do now, boy? Don't give me no dead roses. Me no only want you to tell me you love me. Yeah, you got to show me.
Show your love.
That you want me.
Show your love, baby.
That you'll never leave.
Girl, believe me, you are me one and only. I never leave your side. No, never stay. You're dead on my mind every day. Me answer when you found me. That love you really no phone on me. Tell you me now love your side. No, never stay. What else you want from me?
But right now I want love.
Lots of love me again. You know me heart where you live. Me have it in abundance. All the friends I want you, man. I allow woman of it, cause everything legitimate. You want me to be Romeo and you to be Juliet. You want to be me Cinderella and me be your Prince Charming. Now if you buy no ring because me don't call you darling. Remember, country days with all type of farming. Far where you come from, now you need to do some calming. Don't give me heart, tell me what more you want. It no make sense to fight cause me can't win.
Boy, step up to the plate and do the right thing. Tired of being treated like a puppet on a string. No common law, no long-term fling. I really want you to be my king.
Giving you love. All I got is love. Me sending on love. Gotta give you love.
Show me that you
All people love.
You know, see a chap, I'm happy never crappy. I mean, I say, oh, me have a sweetness, you understand? A little weakness for a thing named Senti, girl. Watch out. Hey.
Listen, I saw this request late yesterday, and it gives me joy to play it this morning because it's that type of morning. We're vibing, we're smiling, we're getting ready for the road, listening to Roddy for the road. And right now we got the lady Simonese locked in. Simonese is over there in Canada, but she hails from St. Elizabeth, and so she absolutely loves this one.
We make the girl, I'm happy never crappy. I mean, I say, oh, me have a sweetness, you understand? A little weakness for a thing named Senti, girl. Watch out. Hey, me's a man coulda get plenty girl. Me a talk 5, 10, 15, 20 girl. But you see me love strong and healthy girl and the best kind of girl. Them.
Who's the best type of girls? Lady say me love for rock the boat, don't turn it over. Lady, which part of best woman them come from in Jamaica? Let me go over to the Facebook feed. Let me go over to the YouTube feed. Let me go over to TikTok. What you know? Where the best woman them come from?
You know, see a chappy make the girl him happy, never crappy. I say, oh, me have a sweetness, you understand? A little weakness. For a thing named Senti girl. Watch out. Hey, me's a man coulda get plenty girl. Me a talk 5, 10, 15, 20 girl. But you see me? Me love strong and healthy girl and the best kind.
Terry's on the check-in. She said, wanna see how me just come back in and a fight on her pick? Tell me. Peter G's playing it safe. Peter G said Jamaica. Him not call no parish. Oh, him brave. Him say St. Catherine and Kingston. Him go St. Catherine and Kingston people. Which parish the best women come from? Kerry said, that should I hear that song there. And if you commission somebody to do a song about Westmoreland. She said, Westmoreland, duh. Simone's requested this one yesterday. She gets it today. Listen.
No, see a chappy make the girl him happy, never crappy. I say, oh, me have a sweetness, you understand? A little weakness. For a thing named Senti girl. Watch out. Hey, me's a man coulda get plenty girl. Me a talk 5, 10, 15, 20 girl. But you see me? Me love strong and healthy girl and the best kind of girl them a Senti girl. So if a Kingston girl, me no want it. Montego Bay girl, me no want it. Country girl them, the girl them will take it. Our the best kind of girl them Senti. So me say Senti. Our the best kind of girl them Senti. So me say Senti. Let me tell you about my girl. My girl come from Black River, live a balaclava, go to school at Malvern. Father was a farmer, mother was a teacher. You know say she no bleacher. Skin smooth, pretty smile, no say she no creature. Take her to a function, which part down a junction. Roast yam, breadfruit, make her body round and prettiest woman where they pan Godland. My God, she look good, but good God, she chat bad water.
Tune into Black Scorpio Radio Enterprise. Tune in to Jack Scorpio Live on Thursdays at 12 to 4 p.m., Saturdays at 10 to 2 p.m., and on Sundays 2 to 6 p.m. And tune in also with DJ Roddy G Live, weekdays Mondays to Fridays 7 to 10 a.m. And with JB on Sundays, who plays the classical hits to take you away from 11 to 2 p.m. In addition, want to promote your business, a new single, or anything musical? Black Scorpio Radio Enterprise will feature your ads. This is the place. www.blackscorpioenterprise.com.
Lovebird Records presents the newly released tribute album from Keith Cole entitled Rock With Me.
Rock with me, baby. Rock with me, baby.
It's 13 tracks, including the astute cover of Delroy Wilson's Who Cares?
Who cares? Who is right or wrong? Right.
Keith Cole also sings homage to Jabi Bunny Wailer.
How does it feel to have been on the ballroom floor?
This newly released 13-track tribute album is readily available in record stores and on all digital platforms. It's the brand new album Rock With Me from Keith Cole. Pick up a copy today and help play tribute to these icons in reggae music.
Rock with me, baby. Rock with me, baby.
Yeah.
Rock with me, baby.
Taking us into the reggae segment. Because you know it can't be ready for the road. And unless you get some reggae music. Who plays it best?
Yeah.
I missed them cue a while ago. Let me ask the question again. Who plays reggae music best?
Roddy G, baby.
Hey girl, next time don't miss your cue, you know.
Yeah. I hear you telling everybody how you plan I'm gone. Yeah. I hear you
telling everybody how you glad I'm gone? Did you tell them how you cry whenever you're all alone? We know for both of us there will never, never be another. So forget your foolish pride. Let's get back together. Who cares who was right or wrong? Right or wrong? I just know I miss you, and by your side is where I belong. Do you miss me a little bit, baby? 'Cause I'm missing you. I'm missing you. Yeah, yeah.
Miss you, girl, miss you.
You said if you take me back, people will call you a fool. Deep down in your heart, you miss me as I miss you. The only thing you're trying to do is making things tougher. The only thing you're trying to do is making two hearts suffer. Who cares who is right or wrong? Right or wrong? I just know I miss you, and by your side is where I belong. Do you miss me a little bit, baby? 'Cause I'm missing you.
Every time you kiss me, I'm still not certain that you love me. Every time you hold me, I'm still not certain that you care. Though you keep on saying you really, really, really love me. Do you say the same thing to someone else when I'm not there? Torment my heart, keeps us apart. Why don't you mean? Every time you call me and tell me we should meet tomorrow, I can't help but think that you are meeting someone else tonight.
Roddy G is your
Why
morning
should our
man.
romance just keep on causing me such sorrow? Why am I so downfall whenever you are out of sight?
It must have broke your poor little heart when the boys used to say you look better in the dark. Oh, but now they give all we learned in school to be somewhere in the dark with you. Oh, yes, they would. You know the teacher would ask a question, and you would always raise your hand. Oh, but somehow you never got your turn, and my eyes would fill with water inside. I burned. Oh, yes, it did. Homely girl, she was so homely. You're a beautiful woman, homely girl.
Roddy G is your morning man.
Good morning.
Shadows falling, baby. We stand alone out on the street. Everybody you meet got a heartache of their own. It ought to be illegal, making a crime to be lonely yourself. It ought to be illegal. You got a reason for living. You better time. And we got nothing to be without our love. How many mountains near or far we are, and we'll never let it end.
Please come to man, call Big Mountain.
We are devotion,
Alongside you,
and we got nothing to be sorry for. Our love.
I'm gonna burn in the morning sun. Wait until evening coming out. Ain't gonna leave until you tell me what I've done.
Please come to man, call Big Mountain.
Good morning.
Alongside you, can own music. Honorable. Honorable. Kickstanner.
I'm gonna burn in the morning sun. Wait until evening coming out. Ain't gonna leave until you tell me what I've done. I remember when we used to walk hand in hand. You were so close to me, and now all of my dreams have gone away, and loneliness came yesterday, and my heart is filled with pain and love for you. What did I do? Why are we through? If only I knew, Lord, if only I knew. I'm gonna burn in the morning sun. Wait until evening coming out. Ain't gonna leave until you tell me what I've done. I can't stand the pain. I'm feeling like I'm not your man. I'm confused, yes I am. 'Cause now you've been gone and gone too long, and it wouldn't cross my mind to do you wrong. If cheating was a house, then I would live outside. What did I do? Why are we through? If only I knew, Lord, if only I knew. I'm gonna burn in the morning sun. Wait until evening coming out. Ain't gonna leave until you tell me. Many did try, but couldn't steal like honey. Many did try, but couldn't get in love. Some fool did try to trick her with his money. Turn around and wonder what she is made of. She just loved this.
We got it going on.
It will last as long
Good
as
morning.
she just loved this.
We got it going on.
It will last as
We got it going on.
No separating me and my lady.
Oh yeah.
We firm as the rock of Gibraltar, and mountains around Jerusalem. Ooh, you labor in vain if you try to bring us pain, 'cause you'll never win. You cannot go round us. She said, Taurus, nothing divides us. Now there's more than a million reasons to quit, but we'll never split. More than a million reasons to quit, but we're holding on. Love is what dreams are made of, and in my visions all I see is love. Got something strong, and so we're holding on. Them never know we're serious, never want we link one another. Tell her I'm not the type to carry home to mother. Them put up all type of traps and barriers. Still I show them that true love's a conqueror. More than a million reasons to quit, but we'll never split. We got something strong, and so we're holding on.
so good and there is no good morning. I will stay with you as each morning brings a sunrise and the flowers bloom in springtime. On my loving you can rely. I will stay with you. Oh, I will stay with you through your ups and your downs. I will stay with you when no one else is around. And when the dark clouds arrive, I will stay by your side. And I know we'll be alright. I will stay with you. Though relationships get old and have the tendency to grow cold, we've got something like a miracle. I will stay with you. Oh, I will stay with you through your ups and your downs. I will stay with you when no one else is around. And when the dark clouds arrive, I will stay by your side. And I know we'll be alright. I will stay with you.
I can count the time I almost say what's on my mind, but I didn't. No, I didn't. And just the other day, I wrote down all the things I'll say, but I couldn't. No, I couldn't. Baby, I know that you've been wondering. Oh, so here goes nothing. In case you didn't know, baby, I'm crazy about you. And I would be lying if I said that I could live this life without you. Even though I don't tell you all the time, you had my heart a long, long time ago. In case you didn't know, whoa, 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 the way you look tonight, that second glass of wine, that did it. That did it. There was something about the kiss, girl, it did me in. It got me thinking. Oh, it got me thinking. All the things that I've been feeling. It's time you hear them. In case you didn't know, baby, I'm crazy about you. And I would be lying if I said that I could live this life without you. Even though I don't tell you all the time, you had my heart a long, long time ago. In case you didn't know, you got all of me. I belong to you. Yeah, you're my everything. In case you didn't know, I'm crazy about you. I would be lying if I said that I could live this life without you. Even though I don't tell you all the time, you had my heart a long, long time ago. You had my heart a long, long time ago. In case you didn't know, in case you didn't know, in case you didn't know.
Now I gotta tell you, many people are encouraging me to open up the microphone and talk some more. But I swear I feel I'm a better DJ than I am an MC. Or even a host, you know. Because when the music sweet, I just want the music flow. I don't know chatting. And the music has been flowing sweetly this morning. Say yes. Now if it a flow sweet, encourage me now. Tell me if the selection them flow smoothly and just have you in a nice little frame of mind. You just listen to some good music and I wonder what the next selection will be. Yeah, some feel. Sometimes I play one song and I'm gonna say, yo, that song you bad, you know. And which song am I gonna play bad so? That's the dilemma I find myself in sometimes. You play one bad song and you say, yo, and which song you gonna follow up that with? And then you look in the library and you see another and another and yet another. And you say, yeah, we're good. We have selections. So you heard from Anthony Malvo just now, in case you didn't know. Up next is the man, Mr. Romain Virgo, singing to the ladies. Beautiful to me, that's how you are.
You take forever to get ready. I wonder why you
Roddy G is your morning man.
You spend forever looking in the mirror. I wonder why you always do that. I see you trying to impress me, but you always impress me. Oh, baby, you don't know that. You like to make up, and in the morning when you wake up, you're so beautiful to me. You spend your days and nights on the phone, looking at girls in Vogue magazine. But I'll spend my whole life looking at you, 'cause you're my everything. You are my queen. So you don't have to impress me, 'cause you always impress me. Oh baby, you don't know that. In and around the makeup, and in the mornings when you wake up, you're so beautiful to me. Maybe you don't like your hair, but I don't even care. You're so beautiful.
Hey, it's so crazy. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Hey, it's so.
Just let the music take you away. On this here Thursday morning, sounds of Makian. What a crazy juggling. That's why we gotta include this one crazy from the artist. Ladies, listen.
Hey, it's so crazy. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Hey, it's so crazy. I'm so in love with you. I don't know what to do. Well, sparks fly in the dark skies, light up with stars while the moon climb the mountains. When I'm around you, when I'm around you, each morning that passed by reminds me of last night, the way that we held tight. A queen, I'ma crown you. Now that I found you, it's so crazy. Think of your daily, girl, you amaze me. Look how you rest on my mind. So now me have to invest my time all in you. In at this magical moment, my whisper. I know up the world of my words, them register. In your ears, me been talking long, and every single line that you're laughing. Hey, it's so crazy. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Hey, it's so crazy.
knees weak to my fall. Kisses by my forehead, then you put me on the wall. Oh God, I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait in vain for your love. I don't wanna wait. I can't wait in vain for your love. Well, sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water. And I think of all the things, what you're doing, and in my head I paint a picture. Good morning! 'Cause since I'm coming home, well, my body's been a mess. And I miss your nappy hair and the way you like to dress. Won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over, child? 'Cause since I've coming home and my body's been a mess, Roddy G, ma miss your nappy hair and the way you like to dress. So won't you come on over and stop making a fool out of me? Why don't you come on over, Roddy G? This is Janiel Mills and I'm representing for DJ Roddy G.
Roddy G is your morning man.
Yeah. Whoa, whoa. Well, sometimes I go out by myself and I look across the water. And I think of all the things, what you're doing, and in my head I paint a picture. 'Cause since I'm coming home, well, my body's been a mess. And I miss your nappy hair and the way you like to dress. Won't you come on over? Stop making a fool out of me. Why don't you come on over, Johnny? Johnny. Johnny. Ooh, yeah. Johnny. Did you have to go to jail? Put your house on up for sale? Did you get a good lawyer? I hope you didn't catch a tan. Hope you find the right girl who'll fix it for you. Are you shopping anywhere? Change the color of your hair. Are you busy? Did you have to pay the fine?
call 911. That's all my body is calling you. My love, I wanted to be cool, but you played me like a fool. I know you strumming my pain, I keep waiting in vain for you. Hey, if you don't pull up this tune one time, I'ma call 911. That's all my body's calling you, DJ Roddy.
Good morning! Roddy G is your morning man.
If you don't pick up the phone this time, I'ma call 911. That's all my body is calling you. My love, I wanted to be cool, but you played me like a fool. I know you're strumming my pain, I keep waiting in vain for you. Hey. Round and round here we go. Pull my heart and then you let go. Round and round, I need to let go. Whose love it is for sure. Round and round here we go. Pull my heart and then you let go. Round and round, I need to let go. Whose love it is for sure. I keep telling myself that this chemistry is love. All my friends can tell that my heart is clearly gone. I thought this love was true, but I can't get through to you. You keep strumming my pain, I keep waiting in vain for you. And round here we go. Pull my heart and then you let go. Round and round, I need to let go. Whose love it is for sure. Round and round here we go. Pull my heart and then you let go. Round and round, I need to let go. Please call the physician for me. Tonight I need fixing, me feel lonely. Good morning. I know I need it now. Please call the physician for me. Tonight I need fixing, me feel lonely. I want some loving and my bed is empty. I need my medicine right away. Boy, write a prescription for me. I need effective care, come treat me slowly. Can't do without my dependency. I need your touch every day, boy. I'm calling for the love doctor.
Roddy G, baby.
'Cause tonight I need some healing. I've got to see the love doctor. Oh boy. 'Cause right now I'm in my feelings. Well, I'm tired and sick of love songs. Been hugging up my pillows for too long. My body's craving some good loving. Someone to compliment my mood when it's raining. I don't wanna be lonely. Hey, Mr. Lay it on me. I need my specialist to sort me out. Ooh, I'm calling on the love doctor. Love doctor. 'Cause tonight I need some healing. I've got to see the love doctor. It must tune all over. That's right, all I'm in my feeling. It's easy to remember, but so hard to forget. Roddy G is the talk of the town.
Roddy G is your morning man.
Yo, this is your girl Sugar representing DJ Roddy G. My one and only, you don't know. Run the track. You don't know DJ Roddy G in a tech chat. Tune. Him bust tune all over. Him bust tune all over town.
It's easy to remember, but so hard to forget. Roddy G is the talk of the town.
The way him bust tune like dynamite, but some DJ only make nice and follow all their silly friends' advice. But Roddy G bust tune over here and bust tune over there, and bust tune all over the place. Yes, Roddy G bust tune over here and bust tune over there, and bust tune all over the place.
And you don't want no work, but you need my money. Run off my bank account like say you take me for a dummy. I just can't take it anymore. Yes. Work my fingers to the bone just to fill your tummy. And you are the bees, yet I be a giddy honey. Take your time and go through that door. Roddy G, tell the girls you got to bring something to the table, girl. Something. I bring the clothes and I ring it on your navel, girl. That's nothing. Hey, what you can do for me, hey, I'm gonna do for you. And if you're gonna stay with me, just hold a reverence, don't play with me. If you love me less than now, you love the vanity. Now have a 9 to 5, yes, you are touring down the city. It seems you're not the one for me. Yes. Roddy G said him see you at the show in a different row. I wind up on the carrion and I go along like a go-go. Bible verse, take thyself.
Praises be to the Almighty, my Creator. I will exalt you, Jehovah. Above you there is no other. Praises be to the Almighty, my Protector. In my going out and my coming in, no weapon formed could I ever win. Glory to our Heavenly Father, and hallowed be thy name. Your mercy endures forever, from yesterday and today it remains. I will exalt you forever, my Father and friend. Unconditional love to me, always extended, so I give praises be to the Almighty, my Creator. I will exalt you, Jehovah. Above you there is no other. Praises be to the Almighty, my Protector. In my going out and my coming in, no weapon formed could I ever win.
I'm on some father, got your sun and shine, so we know you're raining. You are the pilot when we fly, the captain when we sailing. You are the wind beneath the wings, that's why we prevailing. Eternal Father still a reign, that's why we hailing. Hey, when our victory lap, everybody railing. Them see we win the medal, but them never see the training. Placed in at the race, so God the race is so amazing. For y'all what you provide and the fresh air when we inhaling. Oh yeah, it's another victory. Whoa, 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 yeah, you will have to give the glory. Shall we give the glory? Oh yeah, it's another victory. Oh, every day we're making this story. Yeah.
Just give me it.
Anytime I wake up, yes, it's like we're in a trophy. Walking like a double up, some I say we bouncy. Now go lose no sleep to what them think or say about me. One for see we fall, I must the one that don't know how to. Lick about the calabar, love it when them does me. Father got the people side and we not playing about it. I'm from the top of Blue Mountain, we are shouting. When them use we style, them I promote.
It is time to check in once again. Make the people them know some there. I'm not just there play the music, but we are vibing on the same way. Hey, big up Lady Roberts over there in Yonkers, you know. Lady, there is such a place, you know. Have a little spot called Latitude Restaurant and Lounge. Yeah, renamed from Latitude Bar and Grill. I don't know. I don't know if it's official. I just see a posters come out with my name on it. Say I play it tomorrow. I say Corey no easy, you know. Him no ask if me busy, you know. Him just feel like say because me are the resident president. Anytime him call me if just available. Him lucky. I'm very lucky, so I never have no booking for tomorrow. So I'll be at Latitude in Bogue, Montego Bay. See it on the flyer, say it start from 5 o'clock. It's Latitude's Rum Day. Yeah, man, 25% off rum specials. I only per percentage that off, you know. So we're going to drink, we're going to marry, but we're also going to drink responsibly. Tomorrow, December 20, Latitude Restaurant and Lounge, Bogue, Montego Bay. Yours truly will be marshalling musical duties from 5 in the PM. Until when? I don't know. Yeah. And of course, you can always listen to the great selections relaxed in your favorite chill spot. All you have to do is check me out on whatever social media platform you prefer. I'm everywhere. I'm on TikTok. I'm on Twitch. I'm on Mixcloud. I'm on Facebook. And I'm on YouTube. You have another platform? Of course, you have BlackScorpioEnterprise.com. You want me somewhere else? Cheese and peas. No, man, you might have stretched me too thin right there, so. I'll move it into a different lane, you know. Or maybe not. But this is brand new. So I'm going to play it for you. Lila Ike, Agent.
Jah give me everything, so me nah lose my sanity for vanity. No friend for anything, so them can't use none to catch me whenever you hear me sing.
Roddy G is your morning man.
And that's why we hail the king, 'cause Jah give me everything.
No for them do anything for money, anything for hype, anything for claim. So them must step up in a life. Them do anything for go trim, anything for Nike, anything for social media, anything for get a like. And them do anything 'cause them claim so that it's all about survival. Anything is like a money or the mind. Or like the world is getting sick 'cause everybody want go viral. The meditation it's a primal.
Jah give me everything.
I gotta send a big shout out to my bed and Mr. Stone.
Friend for anything.
Hey, no, some of our tune can play name, so.
Them can't use none for.
Don't do it in a youth.
Whenever you
don't instigate the violence. That's some hot water in the morning.
To the top of the chart.
Hey, big up Bedan. Big up the Rasta man.
No for them do anything for money, anything for hype, anything for claim. So them must step up in a life. Them do anything for go trim, anything for Nike, anything for social media, anything for get a like. And them do anything 'cause them claim so that it's all about survival. Anything is like a money or the mind. Or like the world is getting sick 'cause everybody want go viral. The meditation it's a primal. Hey, no for them stand up for nothing. It's like them on a spinal. No, them on an arrival. They make cripples, we make tidal. Try to kill the spirit, but we have the revival. I know bad mind I kill them. Call that the reprisal.
Jah give me everything, so me nah lose my sanity for vanity. No frightened for anything, so them can't use none to catch me whenever you hear me sing. From me yard to the top of the chart, so me I feel hail the king. 'Cause Jah give me everything.
And everything, but enough of them said them I forget it and it means necessary. 'Cause them dream for better boss, a tree secretary. I push the pounds, tell me if the key is necessary. You see it, now them end up in a day cemetery. Them do anything for live and hard, look up a cherry. Them will go extra hard for live extraordinary for days. Saint Laurent, Prada, Burberry. And it means them Christmas off in Mary. So them end up flash out December, then rock January, then end up in a trouble with the constabulary seat. Now them living off of them commissary, 'cause you can't make no salary, no sanitary.
Jah give me everything, so me nah lose my sanity for vanity. No frightened for anything, so you can't use no to forget me whenever you hear me sing. Up from me yard to the top of the chart, so me I feel the king. 'Cause Jah give me everything.
Outside, away outside. On the ground with the big bad sun.
Roddy G, baby.
Fresh herb when the plane touched down. Living the dream in a real life. Bright lights in a brand new town. Step away from the madness. 'Cause the youths nowadays don't play. Watch the government badness. Blue suit, them will kill the same way. If you seen what I've been through, in the land where the good die young. My garden is so fresh, my family is so blessed. Hard work brings progress. I'm grateful, oh yes. God. Do me thing, make mama well proud. Now we been through the worst, no doubt. Good morning. From humble beginnings. Now we counting the winnings from humble beginnings.
Give me some rap from the humblest of places where I travel from down. How we say where we are come from anyway? Victory over my side. I left bad mind by the wayside. Where them feel like, yo, we outside. And nothing at all, no, we no need I. Jaja, we call upon your name. Pray you length in all our days. When it gets dark, we know you'll always make a way. Aye. And then remember, girl, a real top ranking. Pull up on the whole place jumping. Rhythm and knock and the bassline thumping. Nobody feel like this a prom push something. Yeah, we going all the way. Put love in this music that we play. Words on the power, that's the order of the day. Yeah. Hey, and my garden is so fresh. My family is so blessed. Hard work brings progress. I'm grateful, oh yes. And my actions speak so loud. Do me think Christian, I will proud. We got to show love. No doubt. We know me got to show love. From humble, we humble, no love in them heart. Me see them God. No love in this world when they lose them soul under mind control. Some of them leaders got no love, no love in them heart. Me see them God. No love at all. That's why this wicked system it off it fall. You cannot lead if you're not dealing righteousness. Equality for the people wants peace and justice. Freedom of choices and the right to take a stand against the great deception played upon the nation. And me not need the glasses for see that them don't care them what fi kill me ambition and spoil me career. Look how them poison the atmosphere with all them hatred and greed, injustice and fear, cause them got no love, no love in them heart. Me see them God, no love in this world, many lose them soul under mind control. Some of them leaders got no love, no love in them heart. Me see them God, no love at all. That's why this wicked system it up it fall.
Baccarat because smell nasty. 12 pills with the carty. High grade in the party. Full up the Gucci and passy. Custom made but my clocks be. Worst me jeans are Versace. Woman is a natural Barbie. She make me image disgusting the classy.
Now them song I can't play one time. At 30 minutes before we get on out of the studio, we can't play it one time. And because we can't play it custom, we could do that then, no? We could drop it one more time. Custom style.
This type of talent on the Jaggy week. We have to the most of the full last stuff with DJ Roddy G. Roddy G, the one exclusive. Press play.
Push low out. Baccarat you can't smell nasty. 12 bills for your carty. High grade in the party. Roddy G, load the Gucci and passy. Custom made where your clocks be. Worst your jeans are Versace. And your woman is a natural Barbie. She make your image disgustingly classy. Now everywhere we go, I Roddy G up on the radio. I let the kids about the hydrants. Just nicely step on the island. Oh Lord, oh well. Everywhere we go, I Roddy G up on the stereo. Oh, want a woman out for wine pan. Just nicely step on the island. Because smell nasty. 12 pills with the carty. High grade in the party. Full up the Gucci and passy. Custom made but my clocks be. Worst me jeans are Versace. Woman
woman is a natural Barbie. She make me image disgusting, the classy. So everywhere we go, we take the rocking from the stereo. I let the kids about the hydrant. Just nice to step on the island. Oh Lord, oh well. Everywhere we go, we take the rocking from the radio. We find a woman over wine pan. Just nice to step on the island. Oh Lord, oh well. I bees, I saw ya so come me like. Girl, I give me room, say she want me come me night. So me bust the curtain, I let some sunny night. Rest me bun the trees and my mind said just the vibes. Shatters have the tools, arms, those no bother try. You help me get my brains if me ever bust the rise. The streets they go room, so no bother broke vibes. Big dance tonight, down on the golden side. And Gaza, everywhere we go, we take the rockin' from the stereo. I let the kids bust the hydrant. Just nice to step on the island. Oh Lord, oh well. Everywhere we go, we take the rockin' from the radio. Find a woman off a wine pan. Just nice to step on the island.
You seek of only vanity and no love for humanity shall fade away, fade away.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
He who checks for only wealth and not for his physical health shall fade away, fade away.
Skibbly bang, them a move too wild, a run down Kyle. What that them a do fi boost up them profile? Them a take it too far, more than miles. The example them a set fi black woman and child. Them sell out fi dollar bills and silver coins. Subliminally children a get hypnotized by them turn teenager. Them start improvise, start carry gun and take one bag of life.
Them some money and them dad and them no need no other. Some of them really don't know themselves. Who no act like who no happy yet no envy the brother. Your soul is better than all earthly wealth. My friend, you better know yourself. We see them a go astray and them no want no help. The father I go beat them with a golden bell. These thoughts I won't keep to myself.
He who seeks of only vanity and no love for humanity shall fade away, fade away.
Skibbly bang.
He who checks for only wealth and not for his physical health shall fade away.
Hey yo,
Yo, Sasko.
we rolling this time.
When I see my friends become my enemy, I have to far.
I don't think I've ever had a friend turn enemy. I have some friends that I drift away from, yes. Big up Avram. You know, Avram meditation reach a one different place where I couldn't manage them the meditation and them reasoning they on a daily. So, kind of drift. I'm a virgin still. Now if I see Avram out the road, I'm a brother same way. You understand? I can't think of anybody who I can say was a friend that has turned enemy. My friendships only get stronger with time. And a good friend is my friend Joan. Miss Finletta, she's on the check-in. I wish I Joan there again. I wish I see her message a while ago. On Facebook, me see it? Yes, it was on Facebook. Joan is here and she says, Roddy, send a birthday shout out to my daughter Crystal in Falmouth for me, please. Well, Crystal, which platform Crystal upon? YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, which one? Alright, Joan, just screen record this. Because you know, say Crystal are very special people. The whole are here right there, so. Yeah, man. Hey, me know Joan business, you know. Joan, I'm a friend. In a real life. Yeah. So if Joan say, send birthday shout out to Crystal, then Crystal, we are load it up and we are sending an international warm Jamaican Christmas time birthday shout out. Happy birthday, Queen. We hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, a wonderful season. Just big up yourself, full joy your day. It is your special day. Don't make nobody spoil it. I just love and blessings we're wishing on you today. Greetings are come from the whole Roddy for the Road family. And your mom in particular. Joan, with a big beautiful voice. Yes, I. Alright, we could take that one from start now. From all the people I'm blessed with some good friendships. People who can't sing that song because your enemy, your friend never turn your enemy. But you know, say I saw some people steer. I could take it from start. Yeah, man, Rastaman say 1 more year upon them. Don't worry, your song are forward.
When I see my friends become my enemy, I have to far. No lives, no far. Cause I know dirty heart can't sweep with room. They are like the trees we can't bloom, and they shall slowly fade away. And I know dirty heart can't wash with soap. The meditation we sublime room, and they shall slowly fade away.
But I'm an answer, me no remain. Enough of them now go like that show ya. Why? Bad mind stuck in a them head like a tumor. Them fake like 3 stripe. One a night made by Puma. Them tell believe police, not only by rumor. So you not to them, I say you got a phone. Get your visa, you fly out. Them a pray for you drop out them. Sit down and calculate why in and you back out them. Say them are your friend, but them aren't mama vote for me.
Well, dirty heart can't sweep with broom.
Good and never.
They are like the trees we can't bloom.
Good and never.
They shall surely fade away. And I know dirty heart can't wash with soap. And there is no bad mind unto good. They shall slowly fade away.
To be somebody was my heart's desire. So me never stop saying no prayer. No pain. Probably was the youth with the worst attire. Back in our school I sing pan choir. No pain. From the day my life began, and a little bit of tears run. Everybody have them own story. This one is for all who want give up and done. Yeah. I've been there before. Well, if I fight to fight, would I need 1,000 books to write? Yeah. I've been there before. Everything I go alright. Remember the darkest part of the night is just before daylight. Some fight on, understand me to a man. Tell me where time gone. Still I try calm a category 5-star. My earthquake and fire, but I cry and keep my light on. Not no food in the plate, but we buy can. Cause me just don't feel safe. Where I ban, me have the courage now me heart mixed with the right psalm. Me learn to flourish now the dark, me keep my mind strong. Yes I can, achieve anything with the right plan. Hard for moving like a mountain where I stand. I bet the life for my farm. I've been there before. Well, if I fight to fight, would I need 1,000 books to write? Yeah, I've been there before. Everything I go alright. Remember the darkest part of the night.
Yeah. Life.
So this is how we close out the show.
Celebrate life.
Because Crystal is celebrating her birthday today. Her mom is on the check-in. Pienta also sending a big shout out to the entire Latitude family. Mr. Latitude himself. Yeah, man, big up the guy himself, you know. So this is how we say farewell for this here Thursday morning. The Almighty willing, we'll be back with you tomorrow. My own son, Reese Andrew, celebrates his 12th birthday today. Maybe go find him anywhere there. Yeah. And wish him what?
Happy birthday, yeah, my friend.
Yeah, man, if you have somebody celebrating a special occasion today, be sure to call them up. Let them know, say you remember them, alright?
Celebrate life.
On behalf of the entire Roddy for the Road team, wishing you a happy birthday, Crystal. God bless each and every one of you. Till tomorrow, when we sing, say
happy birthday, yeah, my friend. Yeah. 1 more year on them. Yeah. Go on, one a vibe. Give thanks for life. Next year we doing it again. Yeah. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. Whoa. 1 more year on them. Yeah. More life to your car with day till the end. Real from me heart, no pretend. Big birthday.
Belated birthday greetings to Bedan, you know. Say a last, a Monday gone was theme one. Big up yourself, my brother. That means say you're still a full joy your week. Alright?
Frost, turn up the sound box. Girl, them a bubble to the max. Everything well, cool and relax. So we send out the location. They a pass spot. We a pop champagne non-stop, yeah. Happy birthday, yeah, my friend. Yeah. One more year on them. Yeah. Go on a vibe. Give thanks for life. Next year we doing it again, yeah. Again, yeah. Again, yeah. Again, yeah. Again, yeah. Again, yeah. Again.